We will now start with downloading, installing and configuring the Java 8 SDK for Windows 10. This is a basic overview of the steps we will follow to install JDK 8. First, we will download the Windows 64 executable, then we'll run it. Then we will set up the Java home environment variable and make sure it's on the path. And then we will confirm our Java setup in the DOS command prompt. This is the Java 8 software development kit install download page on the Oracle website. We will go down and find the one for Windows 10, which is Windows 64. Download it, accept the Oracle license. Okay, now that it has been downloaded, we are going to run it. Click Next. Select all the defaults. Click Next. And now we can close it. Open up the DOS command prompt. Now let's just make sure our environment variables are set up correctly. This is our Java home that is set up correctly. And it does look like Oracle has added the Java path to the actual system path, which means the Java 8 SDK has been installed successfully and we are ready to go.